Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to use your Google Forms for data collection and analytics. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to be opening up the official Google Forms website right here at docs.google.com/forms. This is the main URL that you want to open up. Once you have opened it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here. This is going to be the home page where we can get started. In the upper right corner, we can have the option to log in. So if you do not already have an account, what you can do is go ahead and sign up for one. And if you have an account, just go ahead and log into your Google account normally. So once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the home page right here. This is going to be our main page. So this is our main page from which we can get started. If you do not already have a form, you can get started creating a new form using the plus button right here. Here we can take a look at all the recent forms we have already created and that we can access, and now we can get started. So basically guys, what to do to be able to use your forms for data collection, this is how we can do so. If you do not already have a form, what you can do is click the plus button right here. That's going to enable you to create a form, which as you can see here we have untitled form. You can give it a name, description, you can input questions and so on. And if you already have a form like me, you can just open it up. So here's my form, my tutorial form for a video where I have a question with some answers, and now let's go and take a look at how we can use our data collection with our Google form. Basically guys, all that we need to use is right here at the top of the screen. At the top of the screen we have the responses tab. The responses tab is going to enable us to manage all the responses to our form. So once we have published our form right here in the top right corner, you can click the publish button. That's going to enable you to send this form to whoever you want, and they'll be able to access it with a link and fill out the answer. So once you have gotten your answers and your responses, they're all going to be appearing right here in the responses tab, from which you can get started with your data collecting. You can either send it to your sheets. As you can see here, we can send responses to your spreadsheet, we can download the responses, we can print the responses, we can do whatever we want. We can collect those responses all into one table, from where we can get started data analysis and so on. Anything that you'll be able to do with your data is right here. So that's how to start collecting your data. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.